Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about the things what you should not do in intraday trading so that you can be a safe and good trader in intraday trading. So yes, in this video, I'll be telling about the things which you should avoid to do in intraday trading. Okay, so I'll be discussing about this thing in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, so guys, let's talk about first thing. So whenever you're doing a intraday trading, so concentration is very important. So what does this concentration mean in trading? So let's say you're watching one stock. Let's assume any stock like ABC stock. So you're observing ABC stock once the market open, and you keep on switching the stock. You will say one stock, you'll say another company stock. So you'll keep on switching the stocks. If you do this, your concentration will not be on a particular stock, and now what happens is there will be an opportunity to miss out the trades. Okay, let's assume you're seeing stock A and stock B and stock C. So you're observing 3 to 4 stocks simultaneously, and suddenly your stock A, what you're observing first, it goes up, and you feel like, oh, you should have bought it and you missed the opportunity. And now what you do is you take a wrong trade. Once the stock is reached up, you go and buy thinking that the stock will go up, and once you buy it, the stock comes down and your stop loss hits. And this is why people are facing this issue. They ask me, like, whenever they buy the stock, it will hit the stop loss and it will go back, or whenever they sell the stock, then it will goes up and then it hits the stop loss. So why it is happening like that? Because you are not making a perfect entry. So that's the reason. Okay, so I'll be sharing a lot of like this things what you should avoid to make a better intraday trading. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to my stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the things what you should avoid in intraday trading. Okay, and coming to the next point, guys. Okay, so the next point is trading forcefully. Okay, so many people do over trading and they do trading forcefully. That means, let's say, only when you're comfortable zone, then only you should take the trades. Okay, whenever you're out, or whenever there's any network issue or something, or whenever there's a server issue in your trading platform, don't force yourself to take a trades and take risk. Okay, so on that particular day or that particular time, you can avoid to do your trade, so that will be safe. Okay, and never do trade when you are not confident in some stock. Okay, so if at all you are feeling some stock that you are having a doubt that this stock might not go up, I should not buy, so then don't trade on that. So many people have this tendency that they'll think, oh, I should not have done this, and again they do the same mistake again. Okay, so whenever you feel uncomfortable with all this thing, so don't trade at that particular time. Okay, and do not do over trading in intraday. Okay, so if you do over trading, you're giving more brokerage also, and the accuracy level will also be down. Okay, and also avoid trading on event days or any news days. Okay, so someday there will be some event or any news. On that time you can avoid that trading day, or you can know if any stock is in an event or any indices like nifty media or nifty auto or nifty farm, anything is in news or any event. So try to avoid those kind of stocks so that you'll be safe. Okay, if any volatility comes in your opposite way, there will be a chance of losing more money, so just avoid that times. Okay, so avoid trading in that event kind of times so that you will be safe. Okay, and one more thing guys, like many people say that I have this amount of capital, and in next 1 month or in the next 15 days can I make this amount of profit. So I've seen this many people asking. Okay, so guys, firstly you have to learn. Okay, so market won't be the same every single day. So once you learn and once you have a good strategy and once you are having a confidence, then you can make any profit in intraday trading. So many people ask, I have a capital of 50,000, 1 lakh, 20,000, can I make this amount in these days? Yes, you can make it, but only if you have a good strategy and only if you know what you're doing correctly. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make consistent profit, you can join my course. In my course I'll be teaching you everything to make consistent profit, like how to pick the stocks and 90 to 95% accuracy strategies, and everything will be covered in my course. And also if you're a beginner, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, and these are the things which you should avoid when doing intraday trading. And every single trade you take, always keep stop loss and target. And yes, I've seen this also, many people, they just enter to the trade and keep only target, and they don't keep the stop loss, they wait for the whole day. So don't do that. Okay, keep a preferred percent of target and stop loss, for example 0.5 or 1% of target or stop loss, like that. So always keep target and stop loss, that will be very safe for your trades, whatever trades you take. Okay, and I've observed this also, like many people say buy at like buy any stock at 200 and wait for 210 to go in intraday trading. So guys, you need to understand, in intraday trading there will be no much movement like that, like 2% 3% of a stock movement to hit the target like that. So keep 1% or 0.5%. For example, if you are trading with the stock rate of 200 rupees, buy it at 200 and keep a target of 2 rupees or 1.5 rupees, like that. Okay, don't expect it to go 10 rupee 15 rupee in intraday trading. Okay, that means in a single day don't expect that movement to happen. Okay, and also avoid doing over trading. As you guys know now, the brokerage things have been changed, the margin rules have been changed now, so that many brokers are charging more brokerage for the over trades what you do. Okay, so do maximum one or two trades per day, and be safe. Okay, so these are the things what you need to take care of when doing intraday trading. And also many people, sometimes they miss the trade and enter in a wrong levels, so don't do that. So whenever you get your opportunity, then only enter. Okay, so avoid looking at a lot of stocks and lot of news. And if you are trading in any news day, it's better to skip on that day, because when there is a news or event day, the stock might move in any direction it wants in any single second. Okay, if you are in a buy side, the stock might go a little up and fall back a lot, and that time your stop loss also could not be triggered and you may lose more money. So all these things might happen, so just be careful in intraday trading. So these are the things which you need to take care. Okay, these are the little things. If you are having safe things, then you can stop your losses. Okay, so just take care of the little things when doing intraday trading. Okay, and If you guys want to learn how to make consistent profit, you can join us today. I'll be guiding you guys everything. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.